Oh, my niggas back on the channel, you guys. Oh shit. Oh nigga. Wait. I'm seeing some what? What MSD is that sound? Oh my god, the SD is down, guys. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Damn. Come on, let's get it inside.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing out the coil packs on the ST. I don't know if you watched the previous clip. I had a really bad misfire. I don't know, I changed spark plugs about a week ago with Elio. Still nothing. With the cob access port, I got a code on it, so you know I read the codes on the cob access port and it was telling me it was a low voltage on cylinder 1. So you know, I'm pretty sure it was the coil packs have to be replaced. Car has about 35,000 miles on it, and we went ahead and we ordered the MSD, you know, top of the line.
Come on, show those coils, boy. Man,
bad boys right here.
They're a little expensive, but I think they're worth the money.
Spend your money one time, guys.
Yep.
The best of the best.
Damn, they have that red looks nice.
Yeah.
And they say MSD on the top.
Yeah.
Nice.
Start by removing the battery.
Yep.
Taking off the positive and the negative. For safety, just, you know. So we're gonna get a 13-inch socket. We're gonna remove the battery ground because that negative back there is kind of hard to get to right now. Get this out of here.
Yeah, I bet it will be a pain trying to get it all the way down there.
That's pretty.
You'll have to take all of this apart.
Again, Ford problems.
Yep.
Weirdly designed.
Man, don't worry, guys. Maybe, who knows? Maybe we can RB swap this thing. First ST with a RB swapped. I mean, sounds crazy, right? I mean, I don't know. Maybe in the future we will have the first ST RB swapped. Maybe.
So we got the ground off. 10-inch socket, lefty loosey. We're gonna go ahead and remove the positive.
I mean, this is so funny how the car sounded. It sounded like a Boxer engine, like a Subaru.
I'm embarrassed. When I get to the line, I'm embarrassed, honestly.
People must be looking at you like, what the hell, man? What's wrong with your car?
Either the engine is fully built or this thing's broken.
Yeah, you have some big cam.
Take this engine cover off, guys.
Put that to the side.
Okay, what access our coils. Alright, let's start by unplugging them. Let's pull this right here. Boom. Guys, don't mix these cables out because it's gonna be a big mess. Make sure plug them back in with the right coils. Pull back the pin and pull back. Let's get these out of the way. Alright, so we're gonna get our 8-inch socket now.
So that's the sucker that was giving us
cylinder 1.
That code, cylinder 1. I mean, the car is really, it doesn't have that many miles. I don't know what this things go bad.
4.
But yeah, again 4. But well,
we're gonna go ahead and swap out all 4 because why you just buy one replacement one? So we'll just go and
yeah, that's a good idea. Most likely, if this one went bad,
yeah,
the other 3 are about to.
Maybe there's 2 that are bad because the car.
Yep.
Garbage. And a short Amy, let me.
No, that's not gonna let you? Okay, let's go ahead real quick to our messy toolbox and try to find 8mm socket. This should be.
Short.
What's this? Nah, that's not 8. 7. Of course. The one that you need 9. Oh, you got it? 8. Ha.
Found equipment in the 10-inch.
Yeah, normally it's a 10-inch giving issues.
Oh.
Oh. Nah, yeah, you can just push that intake a little bit back. Yep, there you go. I mean, it will be easier to just remove the intake and work comfortable, but just removing that intake will be more of a pain than just trying to
It's rusty.
take it over here. They look so good there in the box. It's like if you don't even want to to install them and get dirty.
So we're gonna go ahead.
MSD right there.
The new ones, guys. Straight down.
They don't have to be in order, guys. They can just, as long as you have the connections where they need to be, you shouldn't have any issues. Yeah, it hasn't gone down all the way.
Yeah. No one.
Yeah, make sure you push them down completely. That way you can put the screw back on. Damn. That looks really nice.
Yep. Let's plug it in. Wow.
If it works like it looks, it will be running like a dream. And the last one, which is going to be the more difficult one, but you can push the intake to the side and you'll be able to get it in.
We got them in already. All tightened up, wired up. Only the best. Putting that ground back on, positive back on, and ready to fire it up. Alright guys, so the new coils are in. You can see, problem solved. No more idling issues. Car's idling fine. There it is.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for more HD videos in the future, and stay tuned for Subzilla. We're coming back, and don't sleep on that Subzilla, guys. That car's gonna be insane. I will see you guys in the next one.